everybody, very exciting. We're here for a Hen Do this weekend. This is how it happens. We're just setting up and the hen is due to arrive, so we're just making sure the last little bits are ready for her. It's gonna be great. Just you wait. Oh yeah. It's so cute! Yay! Yay! Isn't it beautiful? Cheers! Cheers, everyone! Get in there. Get in.
Welcome to your Hen Do. We're going to play a game with a trip down memory lane. So each one has a clue to lead you to what we're going to do. Now you need to start looking in the room we do the cooking.
Oh wow. How beautiful is this?
Amazing.
Crazy.
You'll find the food.
Cutest baby and a sweet little tot. What a beautiful smile you had, the lot. A responsible child you looked after.
It's only clue one. Bloody hell!
Now just take your time, it's not a race. The next clue you'll find under the staircase.
Oh, close your eyes. Close your eyes. You're so nice. Oh my god, get it. It's amazing. It's really cool, Jess. Just stay there. Right there.
We
got it.
The lights behind me. Can we all stay here?
Okay, and go.
Should I pretend?
Yeah.
Should we turn the lights on?
Oh, the lights on.
And you are here now.
Oh.
And here you are now. I knew you were taking pictures for a reason.
You ready?
Ready?
We were all given matching pyjamas from the wonderful people at Next. Yes, I've just woken up because it is day 2 of our hen party. And today is the main event. I don't know why my throat is gone. Today we are going to Cheltenham Races. Not in this, as much as I would very happily wear these. They're so comfy. Followed by some dinner this evening. And then probably a whole lot of necessary sleeping after a day of drinking and frivolity. So if you would like to please come along, we'd love that. What's that? Yeah. Just cooked up a little baraki and then we need to get ready. Sent us all a wash bag, a pair of slippers, and a personalised mug. Everybody say happy hen. Happy hen. We found just on our way to Cheltenham to go to the races. I'm going to put this as a disclaimer at the front already. Ellie's fella Steve is telling us who to bet on, so if we turn out to be winners, thank you so much Steve. If we turn out to be losers, don't come to the next family gathering. Just saying. I feel much more comfortable vlogging in general public than I do in a car full of 6 ladies.
Because we're all looking at you.
We're all listening.
Who's that weirdo with the camera?
Alright. I just stuck my foot in mud. We seem to have managed to park in someone's drive, and now I believe we're at like the back end of the race course. Where are we going? Okay, we've gone for it. Place the bet. Rubber divots on it. Your fish and chips are great, but you could do with some seats. Some more seating areas would be great. Pregnant ladies on some tea towels.
Yeah, look at me.
Get excited!
Whammy!
That's a flirt. Righty! Are we all in? Are we in? We're having a bit of a tidy up, which means that there's lots of deflated helium balloons to enjoy.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. Hello and welcome to katiepix. I go very articulated when I've got a high voice.
We were supposed to go out for dinner, but the hen drank too much and has subsequently had to go to bed sick. So we're now going to have a curry in, and guys, there's Netflix on the telly. So
Yeah, really?
yeah, with a guest login, so we are good to go for a movie night. So we're just going to tuck into a little golly. And then there was one. Don't mind me. Let's go have a cheeky chill on the sofa. I'm ready for bed, but I love nothing more than a nap on the sofa. So I'm just going to probably fall asleep down here in my Kidston slip-slops, watching Bridesmaids. Is it the greatest film of all time? Potentially. A bit freaked out because this place has no curtains. A bit scared. I feel like it's going to be a bit of a hot fuzz moment and that a face is just going to appear at the window. A bit Midsomer Murders-esque. I've scared myself now I said that. Have a little snooze. I shall see you in the morning and I'll show you some of the village and it'll be beautiful.
The next day.
Ten? The whole time? We're going to talk about what are we doing?
Okay, the small one first.
Oh, so that's better. Oh, that's a really cute picture. Oh, I like that.
Last day. We're actually just going off now. Pack the cars. We're going off to find somewhere nice to eat a little bit of brunch.